So for someone who's just starting out here, well, actually, let's first talk about what's happening right now, because we get this question on our channel a lot. Is it the right time to start an Etsy shop with everything that's going on right now? What would you say to that?
Should you start now? Yes. Because right now it's probably the easiest time to start, because almost every state, or not every state, but a lot of states have been passing laws where everybody has to wear masks right now. Now, there are no medical surgery masks available. So they're saying, okay, buy some clothing masks. So you want to go out to the street, you have to buy some of these. So the market is there. 360 million Americans, if they want to leave their house, they have to wear some sort of mask.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is number one. So, I mean, even if a million of us going to selling masks, we still have to sell 360 each one of us, and that's still a lot of money. People can buy cheap masks for $5 right now outside. Like they're like a bunch of moms and pops shops in locals are selling. They're going to Walmart, buying whatever thread they find, and cloth or whatever it's called, and they're making their own masks at home by sewing them themselves, and they're selling for $5 to $7. But they're ugly. Okay, these were not meant to be fashion statements. So a mask is selling right now for $14.99 to $19.99. Cheap as hell looking product, but with a good design in front. They're fashion statements. Okay, people don't want to look. Now, if I'm gonna have to wear a mask, I'm gonna wear something that's gonna look nice, or it's gonna be fun. Okay, it's gonna be interesting. It's same for those those tubular tube what do they call these things?
A headband?
Yeah, tube headbands or whatever. They're left for the whole thing. Those are selling like crazy as well.
Yeah.
And those ones people are making like $10, $15 per item they sell. Okay, so and Etsy is loaded with them, but people are still selling. I was just talking to one person I coached today. She has sold $6,500 on Etsy month to date only on those things. Wow. I used to talk to another one, and she was telling me, she told me, Fernando, I'm running $10 ads, and I already made about $2,000 this month, and I'm like, why are you running to the $10 in ads? And she's like, is that a bad thing? It's like, no, it's nothing. We raise your volume to 50, right? You're selling already $2,000, a $10 ad spend. Why are you spending $10? A lot of people who are going into Etsy are not used to market themselves and are not used to spending money on ads. That they think some of these guys have like $2 set up every day just to make some sales, so they don't feel like they're losing money. Also, if they don't convert, and when they're doing 10, they're thinking they're doing a lot of money on ads, and when in reality, you have to, you're selling and you're profitable. Raise that number. Get it up right now. People are going bonkers of selling. And this lady who was selling $6,500 today was using masks. She was running an ad spend of $15, and I say, why are you not raising that ad spend? You're converting at $1 per item sold. You're converting. Why are you not raising those ad spend? It's like, because it's not on my nature to do ads. So
is that part of your strategy then, is to you throw up some listings on Etsy with your designs and connect it with let's say Printful or some sort of printing store, then you use ads to send traffic there?
Etsy has their own internal system in ads. Etsy has their own internal. So you don't really have to learn how to do ads. All you have to do is really tell them Etsy how much money you want to spend a day.
Yeah.
Now, there's a video in the course that we cover all that, and it's very simple. It has to do with your keywords, and they run ads on the keywords. So, and you can start with like $5 and say, okay, if I'm not making any sales, then I need to tweak keywords. I need to tweak my pricing. I need to do something. It's about trial and error. And you don't have to run ads either. Organic sales happen every single time. But right now, they are selling at such a fast speed that it justifies the ad spend. Now, but again, it's based on your comfort zone, right? Like yesterday, I had a friend who sent me these. Let me see if I can find it.
Because that was one of my questions, is how do you get people to your shop? So you're basically saying that you can do the keyword research stuff and not spend any money on ads, but given the amount of traffic that people, everyone's searching for something online right now to buy, you're basically supercharging your listings, giving it that boost with the ad spend.
Yes, I just give the boost with ad spend. I mean, it can happen organically as any other platform, any other marketplace. You know what I mean? For the longest time, Merch by Amazon, nobody ran ads. But right now, for example, the mass market right now, it's definitely something that people are running on. Um, it's a pay to play right now, right? It's it's a lot of people are running ads that it's a pay to play situation. Now you will sell some organic. Yes, I'm selling organic once every day. To be honest, $50 ad spent honestly in Etsy is lasting me about an hour. After an hour, I am out of budget. So because they're just burning the budget, like, and they give you a $50 maximum. If you use $50 for 3 consecutive days, they will bump it to 125. And you use 125 for 3 consecutive days, they will bump it to I don't know how much money. But they keep on bumping the ad spend, but they don't want to get you out of control, so they block you at 50 daily. Some stores actually open them at 25. They give you based on your volume and sales, so they don't let you go wild. But don't have to spend it all. You can spend on, or you don't have to spend at all. It's entirely up to you. Like for example, this friend you sent me this. I don't know. You can see it. So this is a Shopify store, 7,085.29. He sent me use this deal. This was done yesterday before 5 p.m. That was done only on masks.
Wow.
Okay. So, and I'm selling on a $14.99 average per sale. So I mean, the market is huge right now. So, and then and we have another situation. We have Mother's Day in less than a month.
Right. Yes.
And we are not going to be meeting moms because we are not going to go out because of the social distancing. So guess how is mom going to get their presents?
Shipped to their door.
From stores. And guess where a lot of women go and buy presents for mom? To Etsy.
Etsy, yeah.
Because Etsy is the female marketplace of choice. So right now it's one of those that you have,
sweet spot right now, basically.
You have the COVID situation, you have the Mother's Day coming, and right after that is Father's Day. So, I mean, if you're thinking that it's not the right time to start, right now people are making more money. The right people are making more money right now than in Christmas. Because while a lot of people right now are licking their wounds and saying, oh my God, my business is going under, I don't know what to do. Some of the people are saying there's an opportunity and I'm going to take it and I'm going to make money. And those people that are taking that opportunity and making money are making a lot of money.